I started actually on the piano, playing pop songs. You know, in my day, when I was a kid, there was Rod Stewart and Leo Sayer. So I learned to play by ear, by hearing the melodies and then playing them. So I couldn't read music. Bernard KilBride. My parents both played. My dad played fiddle and my mother played accordion. So as we were growing up, there was always folk music playing in the house. I remember sort of early memories of Steel Eye Span and Fairport Convention and Sean Maguire playing as we were lolloping in bed in the mornings. So we were kind of, you know, by osmosis got into playing. The house was full of instruments. So I guess instead of playing with Lego like other kids, we picked up instruments and played. Yeah, so it's kind of in the blood. This fiddle is it's brand new. It's made by fiddle maker Neil Kane from Gwynedd. It's barely been played at all, apart from today. It's got a lovely tone. It's also a beautiful looking instrument. Yeah, so very pleased to be playing it today. I learned the set from Mike Leese's playing on the very first Hunters album. Mike was a bit of a hero of mine when I was a youngster. In fact, before I played fiddle, because I started off playing mandolin and guitar. And I remember seeing Mike Leese at Pontardawe Festival around about the late 70s, like demon fiddler on stage.